guys, in this video we are going to talk about the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF is a function that helps us to count the number of cells based on a particular value. In this example, I have a subset of sales data. Suppose we need to know how many invoices are done in shop CO. We can get this value by COUNTIF very easily. First, I'll pick a cell to display the value. What I'm going to do is to type the formula on the cells equals to COUNTIF, open bracket. Now we can select the range that will be evaluated, comma, and let's select the cell that we have already defined the criteria. Close bracket. So the number of invoices done by CO is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. So the next thing I would like to talk about is the COUNTIFs. Sometimes we might want to count the number of particular value based on multiple criteria. The COUNTIFs function can help to do that. So I have prepared the criteria CO and December here. What we are going to do is to type COUNTIFs, open bracket. We can select our first range just like before, comma, and select the criteria, comma. Next, we can further select our second range. For example, month, comma, and finally our second criteria. Close the bracket. Let's track the result. 1, 2, 3. That's great. We can change the value to check if the formula works fine. For example, we change it to November and JN. So that's 1, 2. So the result is 2.
Okay, that's all for this video. If this video helps, please give me a thumbs up. See you.